Friends, here I am clarifying difference between ASME as well as ISO weld symbol. ASME, formerly known as American Society of Mechanical Engineers, and this is ASME weld symbol, also known as AWS weld symbol. AWS means American Welding Society. So now we move to ASME as well as ISO. ASME use standard code AWS 8.2.4. This is related to weld symbol, and here ISO standard code is ISO 2553. This is related to weld symbol, and this is related to weld symbol. Now ASME, formerly known as American, so it is used in USA as well as Canada, and ISO used globally like Europe as well as Asia. ASME or AWS used in constructions, oil pipe, gas pipe as well as shipbuilding, whereas ISO symbols are used in manufacturing, automobile as well as aerospace. Friends, in AWS weld symbol reference line, this is a reference line and this is a arrow. So in AWS weld symbol reference line having only one single solid line like this is a solid line, whereas in ISO weld symbol there are two lines here, solid line as well as solid line means arrow side like this is a arrow side, and dashed line like this is a dash line, this is a dash line for the other side. So dash line means other side and solid line means arrow side. So friend, you nomenclature know here, this is a solid line and this is a dash line, this is a tail and this is a weld symbol, and this solid line is also known as reference line, and this indicate as arrow side. So friends, we differentiate solid line. The first we differentiate solid line, now move to dashed line. So this is a solid line, and on solid line this weld symbol is situated. Notice friend, here this is a solid line and on solid line weld symbol is situated, and here dash line is located. So it means if the solid line weld symbol is situated, it means welding is done on the arrow side. This is the arrow side. Welding is done on the arrow side or near the arrow line. Now this is a upward direction. This weld symbol is on the solid line, and here also weld symbol is located on the solid line, but here below the solid line, here above the solid line. It means welding is also done near the weld line or on the arrow side. This is the arrow side, because weld symbol is on solid line. It no meaning of downward side or upward side. And here dash line, weld symbol is situated on dash line. This is a dash line. It means welding is done on other side from the arrow or far away, here from other side of the arrow, here arrow and here other side, because here weld symbol is situated on dash line, here also dash line, so the other side of the arrow line. So this is a differentiate of ISO 2553. This is a 4 categories we are defined here. Now we move to AWS weld symbol. Here this is a solid line. If the weld symbol is situated downward direction from the solid line, on the solid line, then it means welding is done near the arrow line or on the arrow side. And here if weld symbol is situated on the solid line, it means far away the arrow side, far away the arrow line or far side. So here AWS having only 2 type of weld category, weld symbol, and here 4 type of weld symbols are given.